Hi, I'm Dawn Litchfield Brown, and today I'm doing a quick interview with Dennis Nelson, our Chief Investment Officer, and we're going to talk about his philosophy and how it relates to our double income strategy and the power of Mapato. Dennis, tell us a little bit about how you, just really how you feel about the markets, and then how you kind of narrow it down to finding what fits in this strategy of double income and the power of Mapato.
I have two questions there.
Yes. Make it fast
but
too.
Maybe we should go at it from the back and work forward.
Okay.
The looking for double income candidates in the stock market. You have to be looking for stocks that produce income. Stock companies that make money, that actually make money.
Make money, that's good.
Yeah.
Make money.
Okay. Making money
Produce
is
income
really
too.
important. Yeah, we're not looking for stocks that don't make money. Sometimes we'll look for candidates that we're pretty sure will make money, but mostly more money is what we're interested in as far as income is good. And that involves looking at candidates also that pay a dividend.
So that's one source of our double income.
So that's one source of our double income. The other source is being able to sell calls,
right,
to produce the second flow of income, and that's really the major source of income in our double income strategy. Now there's a lot of companies out there, so how do you pick the ones that are likely to go up in value, or at least maintain their value, from the others? And in this fast changing world, I really believe that the stock market is on very firm ground. There is a lot of changes going on in the economy, this digital revolution that we're going through.
Absolutely.
with the internet. Kind of as the forefront, but that's affecting everything from soup to nuts. Even the farmers are out there computerizing their tractors so they go around the field without them being in the.
But they don't like that, by the way.
I've heard they don't,
because they can't fix their own tractors. This is a big problem.
Oh, you can't fix any of this stuff.
Yeah.
That's true. When I was younger, we won't say how much younger, and Dawn is giving the I'm about to get the when I was younger thing. I of course would tune up my carburetor and change the points and the plugs. Most people that have been born in the last 30 years don't know what points are.
I actually fixed my car once with a hair barrette in the engine and hooked two things together.
I love it.
We're really getting off track, I guess, a little bit.
Well, a little bit off track, but you can't do any of that anymore. I don't even know how to get the hood up on my car now.
Okay, don't admit that. Never admit that.
Which is terribly embarrassing.
But you bring up
true.
A really, really good point, because in flexibility, in fixing things we used to be able to fix, in a portfolio, it's the same. You just buy and you hope the stock market goes up, or you hope you're lucky, right? But the ability to fix it, to maneuver it, to manage it is what the power of Mapato really does. And that's what we're able to do. I'm just going to, as you think about what you're going to say next, we always liken it to if you had a condo building and it had 20 condos in it. We have a portfolio with 20 stocks in it. And if every one of those condos was rented out, right, that's your first source of income, right? And if also every single one of those condos, you also had a lease option to buy, and that's another source of income. Now the condo might go up and down in value, but guess what, folks? We have 6 to 8% income coming in net, month after month. Well, I'm talking about for the year, but it keeps coming in. And so you're not as worried about the values going up or down. So we're picking stocks that we hope don't go down. But if they do, we have some protection. And in the meantime, try and live off of 2%. It can't be done. unless you're a bazillionaire, right?
Well, what drives this, particularly here in the last few years, what drives this double income benefit is the fact that interest rates are so low.
Right.
You can't go out there and get a CD that's going to pay you even close to what inflation is forecast to increase here over the next few years.
So when did you start in stock market? Stock market?
1974.
1974. Where was the market then?
The market was at the Dow was at 550.
550.
Would you believe?
So I think it's safe to say that you have a lot of experience in the markets, in the up markets and in the down markets. And you've taken all of that experience and he's shared it with me because I've been learning on Dennis at his knee for 35 years or so, and Marcus has been learning on Dennis's other knee for 7. All of us have been gathering all of his sage advice and carrying it forward into our portfolios. So I think that's a pretty cool thing, and I think everybody should take a look at the power of Mapato and the double income strategy that we have consistently produced and have consistent returns over the last 20 years. Let it be known that there are only 14 companies in the United States that do the strategy the way we do with individual stocks. And we are in the top 2 for returns and for longevity. So give us a call and let's talk about the power of Mapato.